Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm working on this flower bed. It's a home to the yew that I cut back in the previous video. You can see it's looking a bit sad at the moment, but it's also home to a few other shrubs and plants that I want to keep. You can also see how messy it is, how overrun with leaves, and there's so much ivy here. First of all, I'm just going to clear it all back, get rid of all of the definite weeds and all of this debris. I'll probably do a little bit of pruning, get everything neatened out, and then this area will be ready for plants come summer. As you can see Terry there just, oh yeah, nice. Anyway, so I'm just going to start by clearing back all of the debris here. I then began to prune back some of the plants. I used the secateurs to remove any overgrown branches back to the main stem. After washing the secateurs, I moved on to the rest of the plants. I mainly just wanted to remove any damaged or dead bits. After a small tidy up, I roughly edged the bed and got the jet wash out. And here's how it's looking. It's way tidier now, but it is a bit bare. I will be adding plants to all of the flower beds here in the future. Another thing to note is that this end of the lawn has really eroded over time, meaning the bed has kind of lost its edge. I'm going to fix this very soon, ready for seeding in spring. And that brings an end to today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day.